Nova Scotia RCMP confirming 4 more victims of the weekend attacks, and that brings the death toll now to 22. They also revealed new details about the investigation, including that the gunman was in fact known to police. Pat Healey is a reporter for Laker News and joins us from Enfield, Nova Scotia to talk some more. Pat, thanks for your time today.
Thank you for having me.
What more did we learn from the RCMP?
From the RCMP, they didn't hold a press conference. They issued a little press release yesterday, and they basically said that there was 22, not including the gunman. Although this morning I've seen some posts online saying 23 because of having not that number. I don't know if that number included baby beaten or not.
Okay, let's talk about the location, 16 crime scenes. Can you give us an idea of what some of those crime scenes look like, what's included in that?
I haven't been out to much of the crime scenes. I've stayed local here in Enfield, but just from hearing reports, there like a lot of the fire scenes are pretty bad, and it's just a tough situation.
What's the community dealing with? What has that been like where you are in Enfield, which is where, or near where the gunman was found and shot and killed?
The community's been dealing with a lot of tragedy. They're shaken. They're shocked. There's a lot of outpouring of support for our first responders in the RCMP and the Constable Stevenson's family.
I understood she worked at the detachment there.
Yes, she did.
How well known was she in and among community members?
She was fairly well known in this area, representing Enfield RCMP, because she's reached out to so many. She touched so many lives here, like even within the last 2 weeks before all this tragedy happened.
Pat Healey, appreciate your time, sir. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right, let's go to Matt Logan now.